Okay, all set for the match and United Kavagoli. United Kavagoli have won the toss and decided to bowl first in front of Zas Choki. First ball run by Yasir Arafat. Straight away rotating the strike. And Abid on strike is in for Zarwans. Comes as a full toss, a little bit missed by Sachin. And it will be a single for the batter in form of leg bye. A second run on card by Zaf Chowki. And they lost the toss for this game. And previous one they chased down really well. That is a big shot and field just watching the action. Stand and deliver by Yasir Arafat with a beauty of a shot. Down the ground, over the long on region, half of a dozen. Such a cricketer with a beautiful shot. Down the leg stump. Little missed the line of the delivery by the bowler Sachin S. Sachu. We have seen his outstanding bowling performance in the previous game for United Kavagoli. But this time Yasir Arafat starts superbly. What Yasir Arafat want. Excellent one. Kept it little bit away. That kind of delivery likes by Yasir Arafat. Is a so strong offside player. Full toss and full advantage at using by Yasir Arafat. Second six in this over. To the mid-wicket region that plays last ball of the over. അതുപോലെ മറ്റൊരു player of the match award സ്വീകരിക്കാൻ Sadat Sattu, please welcome. Just down the leg stump, a little bit away for sure. Wide given by the umpire on centre. Ashik plays to along with Afzal CA. Afzal CA is a main scorer and part-time umpire. Appeal from Mehroof Badarnagar, the wicket keeper. No sound there, and it will be some trick from Mehroof, and it will be the end of the over. 16 runs came from the over. 16 runs at the over. There it is. Moving to the second over. To the onside region. Chetan comes and Chetan produces the wicket from the very first ball. Abid, the man, is gone back. First wicket goes down. ഷാദു ഗസാം എത്രയും പെടുന്ന അജ്മലുമായി കോൺടാക്ട് ചെയ്യുക. ഷാദു ഗസാം പ്ലീസ് കോൺടാക്ട് വിത്ത് അജ്മൽ. Shabir comes in at number 3 for Zarban Shauki. Chetan got a good start to this over. Lovely delivery, keeping the line of the delivery very tight from the tram line. Excellent execution from Chetan on this occasion. We have seen a fruitful over in the previous one made by Yasir Arafat for the team. But this over looks promising for the bowling side of United Kavagoli. And you are watching the tournament CPL Season 7 by Gazam Sporting Chowki. By Shabir. What an authority behind that action. He's stamping his signature with a signature shot down the ground and bringing a little bit chat on the other side. Shabir joins a party along with his senior partner Yasir Arafat. There is some batting, absolutely some batting from this man. We are waiting for the signal there. It will be a boundary for 4. 6 and 4 from Shabir is joined straight away with some authority of strokes. Absolute control behind that action. Now the bowler decided to comes it over the wicket. Bowling, that plan is worked and little slow delivery through the air just makes it wonderfully well in front of Shabir, but played a part and he's gone back. New man Nawaz comes in. 26 for the loss of 2. Last ball of the over. Nawaz comes as a new batter and straight away played, but no chance for the batters to score. Decided with nothing. End of the over number 2, 26 for 2, and moving to the over number 3. Yadu coming with the over number 3, moving to the second part of the innings number 1. Powerfully played. Not enough run for that, and that gone all the way. That's a cracker of a shot from Yasir Arafat. He is so strong in the deep, and this time deeply outside. What a power generate behind that action. Flat dead and dust. They kept 2 fielders there. Long on and wide is long on. Or down the leg stump, the same plan looks to be from the bowler Yadu. He was perfectly placed some fielders in the onside and keeping the line of the delivery. That kind of fielding. That was gone way outside from the off stump and left that one by Yasir Arafat. And one more wide, back-to-back wides. The scorecard of Zarwan Chowki is moving. 34 runs. Just past the half stage of the innings number 1. Lost 2 wickets. Abid and Shabir gone back. That need to load again. It's a no ball. And it will be in the hands of the fielder. The next one will be a free hit for Yasir Arafat. Stand with the confidence. Searching for his right timing. What a player. We have seen his quality in the last week in Payyanur All Kerala Cricket Tournament. Won the championship. Incredible batter who hits, stand and deliver magnificently well using the free hit delivery and dispatching the ball into the nets for a 6 runs, 41. A tremendous quality batter that ever Chowki produced for Kerala tennis ball cricket, that is Yasir Arafat. Trying to cut, moving away, but the line of the delivery was way outside. 3 deliveries to go. Full toss, catches a goal, but nobody there in that region. Another 6, number 3 in this over. 47 Zas Chowki etuno, 2 to go from the over. Yasir is standing deeply on the crease and he producing some 6s for the team. Zarwan is enjoying in this track, aiming the consecutive victory. Straight to the field, gone. Arafat gone is a big wicket for the team United. Kavagoli is back. Excellently placed the fielder there. And his response superbly, was a powerful shot and ended up with the wicket of Yasir Arafat. 47 for 3, Zarwan Chowki. 1 ball to go from the over. New batter please. Sandesh comes in, the left-hander batter. Last ball of the over of Yadu. That's in the air. That is landed somewhere out of lower region. Absolutely magnificent hit by Sandesh. Coming and announcing his arrival in place of Yasir Arafat in such a quality way. 50 comes up. 53. 53 ഓവറുകൾ അവസാനിക്കുമ്പോൾ the player of the match award winner in the previous encounter of United Kavagoli, Punit, coming into the attack with the last over. Catch is a call. Looks easy, looks simple and taken brilliantly. Easily going a wicket back. And a very good start again for Punit the man, picking the wicket at the right time. Already a decent score on card by the team. Zarwan Chowki and Batimona. And 5 balls to go. Hakim Libas comes and straight away played through the covers region. And he covers a single. Bringing Sandesh back to the strikers end. Adya Bandil 6 already Charambicha, left-hander Sandesh. Now on strikers end for the team, Zas. Oh, waited for that delivery, turning around, and this time, oh, that's a boundary for 4. What a batting from Sandesh. What an incredible way Sandesh is announcing his arrival as a batter. When the absence of Arafat, this man is doing the mission for the team's ask. And Bathiate. Bowling. That's a wicket, beautifully loaded one by Punit, and that produced the wicket of Sandesh. Newman comes in. Abnas joins for Chowki. Oh, he's done well. He's did it really well. That's a beauty of a delivery again by Punit. Moving to the last ball of the innings. Big Singh, little early Singh. There it is, the bat is completes a single run between the wicket. That's the end of the innings. And 89 runs, 60 in the target. 60 runs to chase. In trying to defend the innings, Zas Chowki just bringing Abid into the attack with the first over, makes a change. On the other side, there is a change we can see. Along with Punit, Arun Babraj comes as a opener. We have seen a splendid batting from Arun in the previous game. This time a 60 runs of target in 24 balls of cricket. First ball. It was a goal, but it was land very safely there. Just takes a single by Punit, and off the mark with that single. First ball run in while chasing the target of 60 looks like a little bit big score. Nice delivery. Very well controlled delivery in front of a big man. Arun is a quality batter. This will be an interesting phase of the game. The first 2 overs very important while chasing this kind of a big target. Inches close, he was kept that one very close to the body and wonderfully. Oh, that's a wide call. Little wait for that call, but a perfect call that made by the umpire. Just the bowler comes to the danger zone. Looks to be. Look at that again. He was always coming with around the wicket, and after balls, he just coming to the danger zone. That little bit making the vision, but this time gets a wicket. What a wicket that was, a big wicket of Arun Babraj is gone back. Early success for the team Zarwan Chowki. And Yadu comes in as a new batter. In at number 3, Yadu on strike for United Kavugoli. They were searching a big score. Very big score of 60 runs of target. Another beautiful delivery, this time in front of the new batter. Lovely execution and very well responded by the wicket keeper. Such an excellent exhibition of a bowling that's showcasing by Zaz Chowki. That's a good shot into the gap and very good chase by the fielder. Two resulted. Easy going between the wicket by the batters. Avasana Mandile Kandi over. Turning out to be a tighty one. Nice variation. Excellent delivery to conclude the action. Adi over Avasanikanu 4 runs. Abid did a great over for the team. Now 56 required from 18 balls. അടുത്ത മത്സരത്തിന്റെ ടോസ് വിജയിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ആസാദ് സ്പോർട്ടിംഗ് elected to bowl first. Is Danwell Afraid with a variety. That is a mighty, absolute monster in the slot and superbly slotted out of the ground. Very good sound. That shot from Punit is a strong hitter. They demand some big shot. Oh, gone in the wrong channel, way outside. He was trying to keep the line of the delivery away, but goes way outside. Muzzled away for a 6 runs by Punit. He's a superstar, Punit. Giving a replay at his level best. When his partner, the danger man Arun Babu, was departs early. But Punit is keeping the confidence at his level best. Another one muscled it through the onside region and takes a single. Little missed by Punit on this occasion. What a power always generating behind that action by Punit. Such a strong guy and yet on strike. Big swing from Yadu, completely missed. Last ball of the over. 13-42. on and that will be the end of the over. 2 ഓവറുകൾ അവസാനിക്കുന്നു. 18 റൺസുകളുമായി 14 റൺസുകൾ രണ്ടാമത്തെ ഓവറിൽ പിറന്നെങ്കിലും still the baton right in the hands of the bowling side. 12-42 കളി. Arafat coming into the action. Lovely delivery and trying for a big shot but not get the connection right. For Puneet, it's a dot ball to start. Every dot ball that giving little huge amount of pressure into the chasing camp. That's a beauty of a shot again. Puneet is standing, is ready to deliver. 36 required from 10 balls. Lovely delivery. Wow, that is so elegant. Such a screamer out of the ground for 6 runs. Game on, or what? 8-30. Into the block hole, that is typical Yasser Arafat delivery. In the pressure situation, he's cooked a really good one. Lovely kind of game. Oh man, that is a crackerjacker. Down onto the long off region into the downtown for 6 runs. 36 and 6 balls of cricket, 24 required. 6-24 ടാർഗറ്റ്. MS അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ലോർഡ്സിന്റെ ആരെങ്കിലും കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മോട്ടറിന്റെ സ്വിച്ച് ഓൺ ആക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി പ്ലേയേഴ്സ് ആവശ്യപ്പെടുന്നുണ്ട്. He joins the party. That ball missing for sure. Such a clean, such a clueless, such a brutal hit that is from Yadu is absolutely bringing a monster out of the ground. Until 18 interesting game of cricket. Both are just on and this is tremendous batting. In replay of innings, United Cow Goli giving a replay in style. Scintillating batting we have seen from Punit. And Yadu also joins absolutely well in the body. Full toss! Another one! Just like the previous one! 6 and 6. United Cavugoli is giving an absolute power. What a determination and what a demolishing batting this is. Conquering against Zarwan Shaki by United Cavugoli. കൂട്ടമായി കടന്നാക്രമിക്കുന്നു ഇത്തവണ. ഒരു ഘട്ടം 3 ഓവറുകൾ അവസാനിക്കുന്നതുവരെയും പുനിത്ത് ഒറ്റയാൾ പട്ടാളമായിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ ഇത്തവണ രണ്ട് ഭാഗത്തുനിന്നും ഡബിൾ ബാരൽ അറ്റാക്കുമായി യുണൈറ്റഡ് Cavugoli back in the track. What a way to bringing the pressure onto the other side with a back-to-back 2 sixes. Now another 2 sixes required from 4 balls. Wonderfully the game on between teams. Oh, completely missed by the bowler. No ball. Well. Next one will be a free hit delivery. Sandesh is going back and new bowler introducing there to complete the action. Hakim Libas, the experienced star, is coming, but the next delivery will be a free hit. Oh, that's a really good one. Taking an important single in form of bye. Well. Monil Patte, 50 comes up for the team. United Cavugoli. Such an interesting game of cricket. Monil Patte. Message onto the onside region, first one completed. Oh, little bit mistake there. There it is, a boundary signal from the umpire. There it is, a boundary, important boundary. Reverse the decision as is the 2 runs. 2-8. അവസാന 2 പന്തുകൾ 8 റൺസിന്റെ ടാർഗറ്റ്. Straight. Points of field. First one completed. Looking for second. Oh, that will be out, and the important wicket gone back in form of run out. Absolutely wonderful throw coming from the deep, bringing the wicket to Punit. അവസാന ഒറ്റ പന്ത്. New batter comes in, Sachin. 7 required to seal the deal. Last ball of the innings, last ball of the match, last ball of a thriller. Boxing, showcasing the frustration by the team, Zas Chowki, and that will be a great game for both teams. And end of the match, and finally, congratulations to Zarwan Chowki. They won the game. But what a batting we have seen from Punit. Is almost a one-man army. 35 runs scored by Punit. And the player of the match award goes to Yasir Arafat. 11 പന്തിൽ 31 റൺസുമായി Yasir Arafat, who set the standard of the first innings really well, and he got the player of the match award. Congratulations.